Hello students, in this lecture we'll learn about factorial and why 0 factorial equal to 1. In mathematics or statistics, this symbol is known as factorial or this symbol is called factorial. How do we describe 7 factorial? First we first we write in descending order starting from 7 until we get 1, and then we multiply all these numbers. Ultimate we get 5040. In the same way, 6 factorial can be written as in descending order from 6 to 1, and then we will multiply all these numbers and the result is 720. So 5 factorial equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You will get 120. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The result is 24. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. The result is 6. 2 factorial means 2 into 1. The result is 2. 1 factorial equal to 1. 0 factorial equal to 1. Why? In last, we will learn about it. As we know, 7 factorial equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If we want to stop over 4, we can write 7 factorial equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, because this whole term 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 4 factorial. In the same way, 6 factorial equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If we want to stop over 5, we can write 6 factorial equal to 6 into 5 factorial, because onward 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 5 factorial. So 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 factorial. 9 factorial means 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If want to stop over 7, we can write 9 factorial equal to 9 into 8 into 7 factorial, because these these because this is equal to 7 factorial. In generalized form, we can write n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 and so on. Now we are going to discuss 0 factorial equal to 1 and its reason. We can write the n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 and so on. If we want to stop over n minus 1, we put factorial here. That is n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, as we learned before. Now we put n equal to 1. We put 1 in place of n. This is written as 1 factorial. We put 1 in place of n, we get 1 factorial. We put 1 in place of n, that is 1. We put 1 in place of n, that is 1 minus 1. So 1 factorial equal to 1 and 1 minus 1, 0. 1 factorial equal to, when we multiply 1 from 0, we will get 0. 0 factorial. 1 factorial equal to 0 factorial can be written as 0 factorial equal to 1 factorial. As we know, 1 factorial equal to 1, so we get 0 factorial equal to 1. This is the reason how we get 0 factorial equal to 1. I hope this lecture will be useful for you. Thank you, students.